He's a photorealistic coloring guy. It's the photorealistic coloring guy. It's the photorealistic coloring guy.
It's time for us to work on our favorite zombie publication, the Zombie Coloring Magazine. This is no ordinary coloring book. It has photorealistic zombies with an appetite for style. Today we'll work on this amazing night scene that will really challenge our creativity with a background that's a little more complex. I'll be using pastel pencils to really bring out the neon look of the city. But you can use colored pencils, pens, or whatever coloring tool you'd like. I really want the background to look lit up, like Las Vegas at night. So I'm using as many bright colors as I can to fill in the highlights, then blending them out. What really makes this magazine stand out from traditional coloring books is that it challenges your creativity as you choose which colors will make this zombie look best. It really gives you a chance to express yourself, so don't be afraid to try crazy color combinations. Our jacket is going to reflect all of these neon lights. I'll use a dark blue in the shadows, but we'll hit all of the highlights with different fluorescent colors. The more zombies you color, the better you will get at finding the different tones and noticing the textures. This is a great way to strengthen your creativity, while at the same time relieving some stress from your day. I'm loving the way this suit is coming out. As we move towards the main event, I keep track of the colors I used on the background so that I can use them in the highlights of the face. This really helps complete the look of lights reflecting off our zombie. As we finish up, I can't help but enjoy how absurd this page is. There's nothing like it. That's why it's the gift I go with when I need to buy a present for a friend or family member. I love watching their face light up when they see these handsome zombies. This came out better than I expected. I love the amount of colors we got to play with. Which colors would you choose? We'd love to see what your zombie looks like, so feel free to show off your work. Thank you for joining us. Share this with a friend if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.